You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names too many mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel. Loads to learn here regarding pronunciations. Stay tuned. For reference, in Spanish it's said as Duarte, Duarte. This is why in English it's usually pronounced as Duarte, Duarte. It's easy, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support, and more videos for you to learn more free, correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.